Hello guys, I'm Mr. Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to draw this sketch exercise, and we will draw these lines and circles, and we will apply the dimensions and relations, and we will make this sketch fully fine. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on the new part. Okay, now we have a new part. For drawing the sketch, we have to choose a plane, and in SolidWorks we have three standard plane: front plane, top plane, or right plane, or we can create plane. But I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now just click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have open a sketch. First thing first, we have to draw two circles. So here I choose circle, 2-point circle, and when I get close to origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. So I draw a circle here, and I draw another one here, and I have to draw two arcs at the center of these two circles. So I draw an arc here, so the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and I draw another one here, and right click. Okay, the center of the arcs must be merged to the center of the circle. So for doing that, we have to give these two entities concentric relations. So hold the control button and choose these two entities, and here in add relation, give it concentric relation, and do the same thing here, concentric relation. If you can't see the relations or the dimensions, come in the hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the view sketch relations or the dimensions. So you can see the green symbols here. This green symbol is concentric relation. You can see here. And now we have to give the dimension. The dimension of this circle is 33 millimeter, and the dimension of this one is 44 millimeter. The radius of this arc is 23.5 millimeter, and the radius of this arc is 30 millimeter. And the dimension from the origin point to the point here is 100 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point is 16 millimeter. So you can see the entities are turning to black. It means that our sketch is becoming fully defined, and we have to keep drawing our sketch and keep giving relations. So here we have to draw a big arc here. So here I choose arc, and I choose a 3-point arc. We can use other arcs, but 3-point arc is much more easier to use. So here I connect this arc to this one by a bigger arc. So I right click, select to exit the arc, and I have to make the arcs tangent to each other. So I hold the control button and I choose this one and the arc here, and in add relation I give it tangent relation, and I do the same thing here, tangent relation. And the radius of the arc is 90 millimeter. So the radius is 90 millimeter. Now we have to draw an arc here and a line. So I choose 3-point arc, and I draw another arc here, and I draw a line here and a vertical line. So you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the line will be vertical. So here I draw another arc, and here I have to connect the arc to this one. So I connect the smaller arc to the bigger arc. So this line must be horizontal. So I simply choose this line, and in add relation I give it horizontal relation. Now the line is horizontal. Now you have to keep the relations. You have to keep tangent. You have to give the tangent relations to these entities. So here I choose the arc here and this one, and I give it tangent relation. And the arc here is tangent to the line, and this arc is tangent to this line, and this arc is tangent to the line here. So now please choose this arc and delete this arc and move this line a little bit, and again draw the arc. So now again give the dimension, give the relation. Hold the control button and choose this arc and the line here and give it tangent relation, and make this arc tangent to this line. This line here must be tangent to this circle. So hold the control button and choose this line and the arc here and give it tangent relation. And this line must be tangent to the circle here. Now all we have to do is just give the dimensions. The radius of this arc is 16 millimeter, and the radius of this one is 12 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the center of this circle is 44 millimeter. And what do we have here? Our sketch is not still fully defined. You can see the here are blue, the line here is blue, and the sketch is moving. So the sketch here you can see is moving. This line, hold the control button, this line is tangent to this arc. Now our sketch is fully defined, and all we have to do is just draw these two lines here. So I choose line and I start drawing the line from this arc, and I draw a vertical line. And here I choose 3-point arc and I draw an arc. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. And here again choose the line and draw and connect the arc to the bigger arc. So right click, select. The arc must be tangent to these two lines, so make the arc tangent to the lines. And let's choose a smart dimension. The radius of the arc is 9 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point is 68 millimeter. And now we have to give the dimension from this point to the point here. Sorry, the dimension from this point to for the dimension from this point to this point is 33 millimeter. Now we have to trim the arc here. So choose trim entities and just trim this part. Now our sketch is fully defined. Please do practicing at home and do it yourself. It's very important to do practicing at home. Please watch my other videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.